going down for real.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So, if you guys could not tell by the title, today I'm going to be pranking my brothers. Now, I'm going to try to get my older brother just because we live in the same room, so it'll be easier. But he doesn't get home for like another 2 hours. So, I'm going to prank my little brothers first to get their reaction, see how big it will be in compared to my brothers. So, we're going to do that. And also, if you also didn't tell by the title, I got a new tripod. That tripod is pretty sick. I've been wanting one of those for a while now, so I'm glad I finally got it. I also got a sick stabilizer with it, but the stabilizer isn't on the camera now, but it will be on soon, guys. So we're about to do this, but first, by the way, you guys, if you couldn't tell, this is what I look like. Alright, you guys, enough of that silliness. I just kind of did that for fun to waste time, because, I don't know, I just did it. Also, you guys, if you're wondering what I'm doing right now on my computer, not doing that, that's just a song. I'm actually uploading today's vlog, which is Saturday's, but, well, like, today's Saturday, and it's gonna be up today, but it's, this vlog is not gonna be up till Thursday, as long as everything goes my way. This is actually done to go up, so I'm about to put it up and watch it to make sure everything's good. This is the second time I'm uploading it, because it messed up on me the first time. I hate it when that happens, but sometimes it does happen, so I'm gonna get my air horn, and we're gonna do this prank. So let's do it. Peace. Right out there. I think they're playing pool. They don't even know how to play pool. Why are they playing pool? Trying to think of the best way to get them. The problem is, oh shit, they're coming. I gotta go. Okay, guys. So they're playing pool downstairs. So, there's a door in the basement, and I'm gonna try to sneak in there and get them. I don't know if it's gonna work though. Kind of in a bad position, but let's see if it works. Peace. Brothers have a friend in there, and I told them today I was gonna prank him, but he didn't believe me. They're literally right on the other side of this door. So, I think they would hear me if I try to sneak in, guys. I'm just gonna blaze in there and blow the horn. Let's do this. You today, little.
You never got me.
Oh yeah, sure. You did. Hashtag like and subscribe, boys. Prank.
Never subscribe. This man is evil. He's evil.
Gotta go, boys. I gotta go. Hashtag successful break.
This man is evil.
Yeah, you guys. I got it so good. My brother. My brother Paxton got so scared. Oh my god! Ah! My brother Paxton got so scared. Holy crap. Okay, guys. That was a total success. Now all we need to do is wait for Ethan to get home. Okay, guys. So, what I need to do is figure out a place that I can put the camera where he won't see it, but it'll still capture him. I'm thinking about hiding it on the shelf, because that way it would get the door and him coming in. Plus I have a GoPro, which means that it has a pretty wide camera lens, so it can get a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna find a place to put it, and then when he comes in, I'm probably gonna like hide in the closet or something, and then just scare the pooper dinkles out of him. So let's do this. Peace. Okay, guys. So my brother usually comes home around 5:30, but I want to make sure just in case. So I'm gonna call him and see what time he's coming home. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's sent. So I'm just gonna wait for him to reply now. So while we're waiting, yeah, while we're waiting, you guys just enjoy this little video. Peace.
My name is Jeff.
Okay, you guys, so Ethan has still not answered my text. It's been like 30 minutes, but I've just received word that he will be home at 4:30, and it is 4:16. So I'm going to find a place to hide the camera right now. So we need to do that now. So let's do it. Peace. Okay, guys, so I have the GoPro set up. So Ethan is gonna walk through this door, and then unfortunately he's still probably gonna see the GoPro pretty fast. But I do have a pretty good spot. I'm literally. Okay, I just pulled it off the tripod, but I literally have it right in his backpack, so hopefully he doesn't notice. And hopefully I didn't just break my tripod, because I think it snaps back on. But let's do this. Peace. Okay, guys. Ethan. Guys, Ethan literally walked in the room when I had the camera set up. But he walked out. He's coming back soon. So I'm going to set it up right now. We gotta go now. Quick. We gotta go. Peace. Ha! Got you, boy! Got you, son! I got you! Oh. Got you, boy! Whoop, whoop. Okay, guys, there's the subject. Defeated. Officially defeated. I smoked him. You guys, that is going to wrap this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And make sure you smash that like button. And, okay, Paxton. I'm killing. And also, yeah. And also make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you guys never miss a video. And now we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Run.